Hi, welcome to the Data Learning Center. In this video, we'll be covering how to extract data that's stored in the HTML rather than the data that's just text on the page. For example, we'll be extracting this ID number that's found in the image. We'll be using our other attribute method within Recipe Creator. That said, let's go ahead and jump right in. I have Recipe Creator open, and we've already have our rows established in our first column, which is capturing the name. To get the ID, I'm going to add a new column. The next step is to identify the element that contains the data. I'll be using the advanced settings. I'll click the advanced finder, and then I'll hover over the image and hit Shift on my keyboard. Great, so as you can see, we have a class called personImage, which captures the element. I'll be choosing that. And now, as you can see, we have a blue dotted line wrapping around every image, which just means the item has now been identified. So the next step is to identify where the data is located. To do that, we'll go to the optional View Selected HTML section. We'll expand that. And next, you need to identify where the data is located. So again, we want the ID number here, which is located in the alt attribute. So I'll want to highlight that and copy it. And then I'll click Confirm. So far, we have identified the element and also identified the attribute that stores the data we need. Next, from the settings, we want to change the extract method from text to other attribute. This now will give us an attribute name field. In this input, we'll want to type or paste that value that we just copied. So we'll put the alt, and now, as you can see, if we go to the preview, we are now capturing that other attribute information. We'll give the column a name, and now you can continue building the rest of your recipe. If you have any questions, please email us at support@dataminer.io. Thanks for watching.